Hey guys, it's ChilliWilli Vlogs here, aka Jason. I'm sleep deprived, so I thought, what better time to try to make a cookie in the mug in a microwave. I don't know. So, yeah, let's get started. I'm not gonna actually be teaching you guys how to make this, but I will put the link to the recipe in the description down below, if you want to go make it for yourself. So the first ingredient is 1 tablespoon of butter. Let me get a knife. Alright, put this in here. Do I melt the butter? I don't know. Okay. Sugar. What do I need? Granulated sugar. Granulated white. Can't make it, dang it. I quit life. Tablespoon here. Make a difference if it's granulated white or granulated sugar. You know, I should stop talking, you know? Should just go with it. Alright. Put that in there. Yes, I'm good. Firmly packed, so I have to pack it. I think that's what it means. So, what is that? It's on my hands now. A half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's good. Hey, I need 1 egg yolk. So this should be interesting, because I know ways to separate the yolk from the egg, but I don't have a water bottle, and that's how you do it. So this should be very interesting. Let's go ahead and point it down there. Got it. Alright. I'm gonna try using this and be like, oh yes. Why am I using a fork? I'm not gonna use that fork. Got it. Got it. Guys, I'm a pro. Yes. 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 I'm gonna be proud to do this. That was very satisfying. Flour. We need flour. Where's flour? There's flour. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Hey, that's not. Tablespoon. There we go. 3. Yeah, 3. Alright. Got 3. And the last one is 1/2 a tablespoon of chocolate chips. Let's measure it out. There we go. Good enough. I'm gonna stir it up, I think. I think it's done. Yeah. Now this is the thing. This is what it's supposed to look like. No. No, I think mine's better. I think I'm dead on. Vanilla. Alright. We can do it. Yes. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's like frozen solid. I lied, I don't want to eat that. Might be rotten. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that back in there. I'm gonna try this. That is good, guys. It's definitely worth it. So be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and go subscribe if you want to see more, and go check out my Twitter to follow what my channel is doing and what I'm doing around everything and stuff. And the link to this recipe will be in the The link to this recipe will be in the description below. Bye.